using those layers. So go to architecture, or the shortcut is WA to create walls. Okay. We're going to create an exterior wall, so we'll use this Sheridan College Architecture Metric Exterior Generic. We're going to edit the type. We're going to duplicate this. Add your initials in front. So RN exterior. And click OK. So we have our new type. And then we'll click on the edit under structure. And we're going to build this wall. So the function under the core boundaries or within the core boundaries should be structure 1. This is your load-bearing material or layer. So this is made out of a metal stud layer. So let's change the material to metal stud. And the size of this, or the thickness, is 152. Okay. Highlight the core boundary above. So this is the exterior side of your wall. Okay. So we'll click insert. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one will be a substrate. So we'll select substrate. The material will be plywood. Plywood sheeting. And this is a 16 mm. Okay, notice the number. So this one says 1 and then 2. Normally it goes up to 4 or 5. So next one will be a thermal air layer. So function of this layer is that it's a thermal air layer. And we'll use rigid insulation here. The thickness of which is 25. Okay. Third, we'll have a membrane layer. So this will be air infiltration barrier. Thickness is 0. Next, we'll have a thermal air layer again. This time we'll use air, thickness of which is 25. Okay. And at the outside face will be our finish number 1. And this will be made out of brick. Brick common. Thickness of which is 90. So that's our exterior layers, exterior side layers. Then we click here and we insert again, although unfortunately it only inserts upward, so we'll bring that layer down. Okay. And then we'll insert again since we need a couple of layers here. The first one is a membrane layer. So that will be a vapor retarder. Okay. And the thickness of which is 0. The next will be our finish. So finish 2, and this will be our gypsum board. Okay. Some will place maybe another layer, but since we already have a metal stud, so we can place our gypsum wall board, snap it to that metal stud. Okay, thickness of this is 13. So that's how you create the layers. Only the structure 1 should be placed within the core boundary, and then you normally go up from 1, then you go 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you go down to 5. Okay, click OK and OK.